Excuse me, sir, you okay? No, Freddy, I'm not okay. I was just walking along with my friends, and then you shot me. La la la. Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Far Cry 4, guys. Yes, Valley of the Yetis. Okay, guys, we've got back with us Valley of the Yetis. I think I played it last video. Yeah, I did. But today we're going to be doing something quite different, guys. Hopefully I can land this. Oh, soft landing, baby. Okay, yeah, in the last video, something didn't go very well for me, guys. Basically, I tried, yeah, I got like a skill point to, level myself up and make myself, if I fall off a cliff or something, I will not die. Well, guys, we can definitely say it lied to us. But, guys, today, I don't have my hunter weapon. Never mind, I've got my harpoon. So yeah, but guys, yeah. Today I am going up this way, different way, because we are going to be hunting for some wolves. So I'm pretty excited. I don't know about you, but we're going to be finding some wolves. And there's also a bad guy here. Ready? Can we take him down? Have it! Have it! He set himself on fire. Ow, and I'm on fire now. Okay. Anyway, so we killed some guys just then. That means we're awesome guys, okay? Yeah, right. Uh-oh. It's coming towards me. Well, it missed me. I don't know if you just saw that, guys, but a bird was trying to eat me. Guys, there looks like there's a camp up here. But don't worry, guys, we are definitely looking for some wolfies today, okay? But I just want to... did I even say what we're going to be doing today? I don't know. No, I want to see if... Oh, my God. That looks beautiful. No, not change for the harpoon. Change it for the shotgun. No one likes the shotgun. Holy! Look at that scope, guys. We're going to be having some fun. Okay. Right. Now, guys. I think that we're at a good place. We're in the forest. And I don't have any bait. Okay. Well, we've got to look for some wolfies. Wolfies. Okay. Wolfie. Wolfie. Oh, I was hoping that there was some wolves over here, guys. But I know what we can do to get some wolfies. We have to kill some yaks, okay, guys? So, let's go and kill some yaks. Yaks. Come on, yaks, you must be... There's some yaks, but we're going to use our harpoon to be fast. So we can boom, kill, boom, kill, and that's all we need. Okay, number 1 and number 2 is over here. Look at your face. You look dead to me. Oh my God. Look at his face, guys. What is happening? Oh no, I don't want to put you away. I want to show these guys. Excuse me, sir, you okay? No, Freddy, I'm not okay. I was just walking along with my friends, and then you shot me. I'm sorry if I made you feel bad, Yak. I'm sorry, I just wanted to kill some wolfies. I'm sorry. That's what you get, Yaki. That's what you get. Okay, right, I think this is a good place anyway. There must be some wolves around here. I don't know. But we're gonna throw some bait down, see what we get. Okay, right, where's my new gun? There it is. I hear a leopard. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Reload. Go. Uh-oh. He's running away, guys. We can't let it go away. I should have really just shot it with something else, really. Alright, there's someone over there. You did yet? Die! Die! Yay! Right, we're gonna throw some more bait. Hopefully no leopards will come, and we're gonna use this baby. Another. Alright, another leopard's came. Could be secret. Uh-oh. Leopard. You dead? Yep, he's dead. Anyway, let's kill some more. Right, I'm gonna chuck it up here, guys. From up here. Come on, wolfies. Wolfies. There's a wolfie. Boom. We killed the wolfie. We killed the wolfie. Oh, okay, so my harpoon's there and the wolfie's there. Okay. Well, it must have went right through the wolfie. Right, let's get some more. Chuck it right there, I think. Right there. Alright, just gonna stay down here. Hopefully no wolfie. It sounds like a leopard. Have it! You see that, guys? Oh my goodness. I wonder if there's any donkeys in here. Any donkeys? No, there's no donkeys. Okay, guys. No donkeys for us to hunt in this game. Well, there might be some donkeys. But, I don't know. Oh, it is another leopard, guys. I like the way I just goes, wee! So, guys, we've hunted one wolfie. I think we should just call it hunting for leopards and wolfies. Okay, yeah, leopardies and wolfies. Right, let's try one more. Yay, wolfie, wolfie. Yeah, go to the baity. Boom, wolfie. Oh my God, wolfie went flying. Wolfie went Whoa. What kind of face is that? Oh! Oh! Look, I'm going to zoom out. Look. Oh! Oh! Are you okay? No? Okay. I might as well put him out of his misery, guys. Okay, right. Well, assuming we're getting quite into the video, I'm going to kind of leave the video here, I guess. Birdie. Oh, Misty! Don't run away from me, birdie. Matey. Steady, steady. No, I'm sorry, Yak. Yak, I wasn't supposed... Oh, my God. Yak, I wasn't supposed to hurt you, okay? But you left me no choice. Well, guys, I want to say thank you ever so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel and you haven't yet subscribed, please do that. Peace. See you guys all later. Right, I want to kill a wolfie. Is that a leopard again? Hello? Is it a bear? No. Is Boris here? Is Boris? Boris? Bam! Bam! Right up the butt! Right up the crack, dude. Right up the crack. Oh my God. Bullseye right there, guys. Bullseye! Woo!